In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage identity verification configurations in DocuSign e-signature. This process helps streamline identity checks, improve document security, and enhance your overall workflow using DocuSign's powerful tools. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to the DocuSign website. You can do this by typing in the URL or using a saved link if you already have one. Once the page loads, you'll see various options and information about DocuSign services. Next, go to the Login section. You'll find the Login button in the top right corner of the page. Click on it, then enter your username and password to access your account. Make sure your credentials are correct so you can log in without any issues. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard, often referred to as the DocuSign homepage. This is your central hub for managing documents and settings. From here, the next step is to access the Admin section. Locate the Admin button and click on it. This will take you to the Admin area, where you can control various settings related to your account and organization. Once you're inside the Admin area, look for the Connect tab and click on it. This section is used to manage integrations between DocuSign and other systems. These integrations play an important role in handling processes like identity verification. Inside the Connect section, you'll see an option to Add Configuration. Click on this to begin creating a new configuration. At this stage, you may see different configuration types. For this setup, choose the Custom option. Selecting Custom gives you more flexibility and control, which is especially useful if your organization has specific security or compliance requirements. Next, locate and select the Identity Verification option. This is where you'll configure the settings required to verify user identities during the signing process. In this section, you can define how identity verification should work. For example, you can adjust authentication methods and set rules based on your organization's policies or industry standards. These settings ensure that only authorized individuals can access and sign documents. Once you've configured everything according to your needs, make sure to save your changes. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to manage identity verification configurations in DocuSign. This setup plays a key role in protecting your documents, ensuring compliance, and maintaining a secure signing environment. As a best practice, regularly review and update these configurations to keep your system secure and aligned with any changing requirements. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.